चल चल जल्दी रोलिंग चालू कर, टाइम नहीं है, बिजी इंसान हूँ यार।
अरे चालू है बाबा।
अच्छा ओ Hi guys, here we are back with Coffee Protractor of the Month Season 2. I assure you this season is going to be more funny, more controversial और मजा तो आना ही है. Well, also there's one more thing. We have a surprise for you all in this season. So the surprise is wait.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
You move on with the episode, you'll come to know. वैसे तो तुम सबको पता ही है, but still, I myself Protractor Prithviraj Gosrani, Club Service Director of Rotaract Club of Mumbai Salt City, and your host for today. So I know you all are always waiting for the game. Why not start with the game itself? The name of the game is Catch My Bluff. Here, Protractors of the Month will give us three situations in which they feel they are funny or embarrassing, and out of the three, two will be true, and one will be false, which will be a bluff one, and we have to catch the bluff. So, let's begin. Let's call upon our Retractors of the Month. So, the first Retractor of the Month is very funny, and this phase was present for almost all the projects this year. And along with that, the one who got this video viral, no one else but Retractor Yash Kenya.
Hi, this is Rotaract Yash Kenya. I have joined this new club, RCMSC, as a general body member. I'm a computer engineer and a cybersecurity researcher. I hacked a car in my final year of engineering, like a bunch of techies working in a garage. My hobbies include playing with these toys, and I love football, and I'm a huge Manchester United fan. I love telling stories to people, and that's it. That's me. Cheers.
Hi Yash.
Hello, what's up?
All good, you tell me.
Chilling, just vibing, chilling.
So I hope you understood the game.
Yes.
So what are your three situations?
My first situation is I sucked gel from a gel pen when I was in school, and it tastes like cashew nut. The
Okay.
second, the second one is I tripped over a bushy fence in Qutub Minar, and the third one is I sent a wrong message, embarrassing message to someone I shouldn't have.
Okay. All right.
So our next Retractor of the Month is Pretty, loves to write, and something unique, she enjoys making bracelets. So here she is, Retractor Meera Nair.
Hi guys, it's Rotractor Meera Nair. I just passed out of 10th this year and I want to take up arts. I like to read and write, and as for one thing that annoys me, it is people who walk slow.
Well, hi Meera.
Hi,
How's your day going?
my day is going superb.
Okay.
It's kind of hot, but inconvenient.
Acha. So even you understood the game, correct?
Yeah.
So what would be your three situations?
My three situations are once I accidentally gave vinegar to my tuition teacher instead of water because he asked for cold water. Second, I rang the school bell, the big one, accidentally. And third is that I was supposed to dance at a Christmas party with my friends, and I forgot the steps midway, so I stepped out of it.
That was very
Okay.
embarrassing.
Okay. So yeah, Meera, you chaired this project Time Capsule, correct?
Yes.
So can you explain us the project and how did you feel the responsibility to be a chairperson? Because this was your first project to be chaired, correct?
Yeah, it was.
Okay. Okay. So what was the project about?
So it was about writing a letter to your future self. And when I heard about it, I was immediately drawn towards it because the whole stuff about letter writing and future self and everything is like really interesting to me. So I was very excited for it. And I like the idea that, in the future I can sometimes look back and see a letter that I've written to myself. And I thought many other people might also like it. Happy to.
So how did you feel like becoming the chairperson? How did you feel after that? After getting the responsibility?
I felt I did not anticipate the responsibility. I mean, I was going in blind. I had no idea about what has to be done, and I have never known how to contact people and how to talk to them like
Okay.
that. And then suddenly I had to contact the DGCOM community, and then I had to contact other people. So I was like, but I learned from it, and it was very fun.
Yeah. All right. So it was amazing for both of you joining this club.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, we have your situations. Let's go ahead. But who do you think will judge your questions? Like who do you think will judge your bluff?
You Venkat.
Okay. No, there's no president involved in this.
Here for the surprise. I know you all are excited and waiting for it, and so am I. For the surprise, this year, along with Rotractors of the Month, we also have one Board of Director of the Month. So here she is. I guess you guys have seen her in the previous episode. Yeah, she is Rotractor Pranati Chheda, the editor of the club.
Hi everyone, this is Rotractor Pranati Chheda and I'm the editor for the year 2021. If I have to introduce myself, I would just say that I'm a regular 17-year-old girl who loves reading, writing and painting and tries to find aesthetism in everything. That's all about me.
Hi guys,
Hi, Pranati.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
All good, all good. So yeah, well, I hope you heard the situations and you're ready to judge.
Yeah, I'm
All
waiting.
right.
You were listening the whole
Okay.
time, man.
But there's time for it. Well, Yash, I have one more question for you. We've seen your video went काफी viral.
₹150 देगा.
So, like, is it your favorite movie or you enjoy acting? Like, enjoy acting funny scenes? How was it? Like, how did the idea came up?
So I have been doing this role of Babu Rao and the Hera Fairy characters since I was in school. This was the
Okay.
only part where I, didn't like had to act it out. It just came from inside. I've
Okay.
seen this movie so many times. It's just pleasing every time I watch it. So it's become like inner me who's come out.
Yeah, it's a fun movie. It's a vibe movie. Like, जब भी देखो तब चलेगा.
I have no clue how many people have seen that. It was on the Instagram and Rotrack has some 1,000 followers. So
Yeah. All right. So back to Pranati. Let's start with Yash. What do you think will be his bluff? You're on mute.
So
Yeah.
the first bluff, situation that I heard, I don't think ink tastes like cashew because I have swallowed it so many times accidentally too. So there is no way. But you falling over a pricky bush is even more suspicious. So I think that is the
Okay. So Yash falling over a bush, you think is the bluff.
yeah.
All right. Yash, no answers yet. उसके लिए time है. And what about Meera? What do you think will be her bluff? Because as for Meera, I think सब situation ऐसा daily life में होते रहता है.
Yeah, exactly. But giving your teacher vinegar, I don't know why you would do that or carry vinegar around for that matter. So yeah, the vinegar one.
All right, the vinegar one. ठीक है.
I don't think it was vinegar. Was it something else?
It was that.
Okay, let's keep it vinegar. All right. Well, Pranati, we think you've done your job and thank you for being here. And congratulations again for being the board of director of the month. It's a
Thank you.
huge achievement. So yeah, we'll see you around. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
All right. So time for answers now. But I have one last question for you both.
Uh-huh.
Like, what are your thoughts about Rotaract Club of Mumbai Salt City? And being Rotaractor of the Month, it's pretty obvious you guys have attended a lot of projects and meetings and everything. So, what kept you very encouraged to attend all these projects? So, Meera?
When I first joined this, I didn't know it was like a closed community type. I was expecting it is more like very formal and a very kind of fixed. Like, yeah, things are fixed even now, but I was not expecting to find friends. I was expecting to do work.
Okay.
But I was in for like, it was a very pleasant surprise when I found out how things actually work, and you don't have to be formal and everything. You can joke around. It was really fun. So that like kind of automatically motivated me to attend as many projects as I could. I was like, I want to find out, like, how much fun I can have.
Along with doing social service. Yeah.
Along with doing actual work and also having fun. So it was like a very nice balance. So I was like, I'm so happy.
All right. And Yash, what about you?
So my thoughts on RCMSC, for me, RCMSC is a place to chill from normal routine. And it's just been a month, so it's very early to speak, but there's great energy and spirit all around. Every week there's something new happening related to community service or anything like that. And each project is like a memory stitched towards the club. Like it's always heartwarming to give back to society, and I help people. So it's a priceless expression when you give back to society, and I feel RCMSC is a place for that. And the amount of energy that goes into a project is just amazing. And the work that goes behind the curtains, like the people, the chairpersons especially. So it's motivating and makes me feel to take up a project in future and to run the show.
Yeah. So I hope you become chairperson of lots of projects ahead, and I hope you guys have made lots and amazing friends over here. So ab answer ki bari. We've been waiting for it for a long time. So Meera, what was your bluff?
My bluff was that I rang the school bell. I have never done anything like that. मैंने कोई period भी bunk नहीं किया है. So yeah, but the vinegar thing really happened.
Acha. All right. So well, you were quite good to portray your bluff. And Yash, what about you?
So my bluff was the tripping over the fence at Qutub Minar. It was not me, it was my friend, and I was the one shooting it.
Acha. Okay.
But I have really tasted ink, and it's
okay. That tastes like cashew nut.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And clearly, Meera played a better bluff. So the winner is Rotaractor Meera Nair. Okay, wait, Rotaractor of the Month, come back. Yeah, and please stand on your month. We have something as token of appreciation for you guys, and yeah, here we are at the end. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope you all are excited for the next episode. Bye.
सबकी नजर यहाँ है, हर चीज राज है. अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सकी तो रबा है. अब है जो